Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. What happens when you got yourself a car thievian and a stang gangian? You got a wild, crazy police chase. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy stang gangians down, or will the stang gangians do what they love to do? Take that mighty hoof, light it on fire, and give the devil the greatest horse beating he's ever had in his entire existence, and make the boys in blue look like clowns. Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. He moving off the gate. Yeah, do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my sinister toes, devil. I hope you're ready. He moving off the gate. He flying.
Flapping in the wind.
Is that a Malibu?
Signal Ford, running red.
Plymouth Prowler, he just ran it off the road.
Through Cleveland, driving on the wrong side of the road, almost caused a head-on signal 4.
Is this door open?
We gotta get this guy stopped. Yeah, we gotta get this guy stopped. No matter what, he's crazy, man. He'll kill somebody.
Yeah, Eagle, I would qualify this as extremely dangerous driving. He's coming up to Lakeview and westbound on Lakeview toward Alt 19 through 8th Avenue Northwest.
Why is his door open? Oh, he almost ran that motorcycle off the road.
Yes. We gotta get his sticks ahead of this guy. He's gonna kill someone. Yep.
He clowning, man. On the wrong side of the road? Wow.
All right, he's over the wrong side of the road coming up to West Bay on Clearwater Largo. He's got a red light.
He don't care. Looney Tune. And a maniac.
Now east, westbound on West Bay.
I think the driver door keeps coming open. It is.
No duh. I said that 5 minutes ago.
Through traffic, he's on the brakes, up on the sidewalk now to pass a car. All right, passing
He
Bluffview
moving.
Drive and Harborview Lane. So he's committed towards the beach. All right, he's on the bridge, committed to go over to Bel Air Causeway.
Car 48 Eagle.
Is this Florida?
No, nobody. I can't see anybody around him, but he is extremely dangerous. Just ran the red light at Gulf, southbound Gulf Boulevard.
He fully committed to the diabolicism.
All right, wrong side of the road around that deputy. Still continuing, high rate of speed. All right, continuing south.
He missed the spikes. They tried to spike him and he missed it. Oh, he moving. He know what he doing.
High rate of speed.
Man, that Malibu going way faster than I expected. Dang.
All right, slowing down at 18th.
Oh, is he bailing?
He's gonna bail at 18th.
He trying to steal the Corvette?
He's coming to carjack a Corvette.
Get out the vet, punk.
Blue shirt, blue jeans.
He said, "No, you ain't getting my vet."
All right, that car just set off. He's back in his.
That's him right there?
Southbound, Gulf Boulevard.
31, you just went southbound on 18th, you saw him go forward?
He tried to steal the vet.
Southbound Boulevard, high rate of speed, 12th Avenue. We need to get this guy stopped.
Car 48, any unit that gets a chance to pit him or stop him, do it. It's authorized.
They should have been pitted him. He going crazy.
Almost signal.
On the opposite lanes of traffic, southbound, high rate of speed, coming up to 5th.
And he trying to steal people's cars.
Just ran the red light at 5th. This guy has no regard for anybody else on the road. On the pedestrian path.
Oh, he rammed the person. That's crazy. He rammed the Mustang.
4th Avenue. Out of the car, running southbound.
He going off that Dookie juice.
Mustang, a black Mustang.
And them Pop Rocks. Ooh, they in the bathing suits. I see you ladies.
Sorry, I'm getting a little amped.
Get out the car, old man. Get out now.
Just carjacked this Mustang.
Man, he taking the Stang gang.
Mustang, southbound on Gulf Boulevard.
Oh, yeah, he about to really fly now. He got a Stang now. He out of the Malibu. He about to act a fool.
Ram it if you have to.
They said ram the Stang if you have to.
That car was involved in the signal 4.
That tire's gone.
Damn, it ain't got no tire. You can't pit him right there. Ain't no way. Ooh, that biker got close to getting hit.
Going the wrong way on the one-way street on 1st Street.
The Mustang falling apart. He got a Lego Mustang.
All right, coming back out to Gulf and southbound on Gulf.
On the sidewalk.
I think he just sideswiped 2 more cars on the bike path.
He tearing up everybody's car.
We got 2 trucks down here.
He hitting everything in his way.
The radio. He's on the bike path on the wrong side of the road.
Mad Max.
Side of the road, south.
Lane 21, car 48, permission to ram him?
Oh, they're going in for the pit. Pull over, punk. We just want to talk.
Yeah, there's a deputy behind us.
He ain't even got no wheel. He got 3 wheels.
Still south.
What kind of pit was that?
All right, just hit the Marine unit. Now he's fishtailing.
This is crazy. This is Grand Theft Auto for real. San Andreas. Yeah. I know them ain't Tahoes behind him.
Sideswiped another car. I'm not sure if that was a cruiser. Still southbound. High rate of speed. Over onto the bike lane, passing traffic.
He not trying to go back to jail. He gotta have something on him for him to be acting like this. He don't. What is he doing? Oh, what was that, officer? Officer!
Go forward.
Did he run that person over? Diabolical. He's still going.
Boulevard. He's on the south side of the building.
Look at him.
Now driving north.
He's still driving.
Going
This
through
is
another
insane.
property to the north.
Why you ran the car
I
again?
think he's running northbound.
He growing footy, naturally aspirated V8 toes. It's toe
All
time.
right, he's northbound in the mangroves behind the next property to the north.
Feet to pavement. He gone.
Kind of northeast through the mangroves.
In the woods, Crocodile Dundee. Oh, he moving.
Still
That cop in shape.
Coming out to the intercoastal.
Uh-oh, he going water. Aquaman. What? What kind of athletic ability is this? What in the Sam Diggly balls? You horrible, boy. My boy just jumped the fence in a single bound.
The edge of the water.
Make sure they got EMS coming for this wreck over here.
Should we be inside? No duh.
EMS rolling for the wreck. I know there's some civilians involved.
Look at him.
In the water.
Aquaman. Aquaman, man. You gotta catch me in the water now. I tried the pavement. Catch me on the water. Catch me in the water, god darn it. And it's a Pookie. Who would have guessed Pookie would take the water out?
All right, we've got deputies challenging from the dock.
Hey, get on the... Hey, let me see your hand. Let me see your hand. Hey, let me see your hand. Walk over that way now.
What is he? Did he try to eat? What is he doing?
Hey, I will take...
Oh, he's eating drugs.
He's eating drugs, Hey, watch your cross. Hey, you got a Marine unit in the water, or is it not? Just us?
Stop being stupid. Let's go. If I have to get back in there, I swear to God.
Eagle, if there's one of the Marine units that's available with one of the smaller boats, it looks like
Aquaman.
shallow around here, maybe waist deep.
Ah!
Give it up.
He don't care about that. He going off that dookie juice
Hey, you gonna stop us?
and them pop rocks. He just popped a couple of them rocks in his mouth. He gone. He don't know no reasoning. Is the Mustang on fire?
Trying to get you an angle. Yeah, so I don't know what he's doing in his pants.
We know what he doing.
Something in his hand, isn't it?
My man.
Got a half a key in his body.
Swing charges.
He done digested a half a kilo.
He's out of... He's whacked.
Quackwaman. Methwaman.
Got underneath me.
Oh, we got Quackwaman, a.k.a. Methwaman, in the water right now. I would have never thought a brother would do this.
How do you like that angle? That's a little washed out from the sun. All right.
Look at him.
Back, but
I think if you bring me around to the east.
Methwaman, man. Get the Coast Guard out here, man, and get this idiot out the water. Come on, man. Y'all uncoordinated like a mug. There's only one person in the boat. What?
You got something, you drop it. Not worth it.
I thought it was 2 people in the boat at all time. Ain't that what they was doing on Baywatch? I was trying to be in the boat with CJ. I was trying to be in the boat with Pamela Anderson.
What's your cross on the...
Not sure if he was trying to pull up his pants or if he was trying to reach for something.
Come on, man. Don't say you're trying to reach for something. Don't do that.
Still has it in his left hand.
Don't do that, y'all. Let the brother live, man. I'm surprised he's still alive right now. I'm surprised they ain't lit him up like a Christmas tree myself. All that reaching he doing, pull him up by his neck. Get up here, punk. Get over here.
Got him on the boat. They're going 10-15.
Look at him. He ain't acting right. Hit him with the taser. Cook him. Cook his ass. He don't want to act right. Hit him with the voltage in the buttocks. He got that booty jumping like a stripper.
Yeah, he's fighting with them.
Cook his ass. Filet mignon his ass. Saute his ass. 1, 2, 3. It's like 6 officers. It took 6 officers to handle this guy. That boy meth strong. My man got charged with carjacking, fleeing, deadly weapon, carjacking, fleeing, deadly weapon, Now he got 1, 2, 3 of those charging. He got flee with no regard, resisting officer with violence, sudden, snatch to no weapon. I don't know what that means. Live crash other than serious injury. That boy was going crazy. 5 years. Look at this time. 14, 14, 14, 14, 5, 5, 5. He ain't getting out for a long, long time. And they ordered him to pay almost $20,000 in restitution. That boy gonna get, when is he getting out? He got 14 years out of that. So they gave him 14 years total. So he probably ain't getting out for till about 2036 or something like that. And they say when he get out, his driver's license is going to be suspended. I mean, I don't really think he care after 14 years. He had to renew it anyway. It ain't like he going to have it after 14 years. His name was Kenneth W. LaFord Jr. Race white. He don't look like no white guy. Is that a white guy? I thought he was black. I guess it was a Chattahoochee with a good tan. I thought he was a brother, man. It was a Chattahoochee with an excellent tan. Oh my goodness, man. Diabolical. Meet me in the comments if this wasn't one of the wildest chases of all time. My man started out in a Malibu, then he tried to steal a Corvette and was unsuccessful. Then he stole a Stang and got insane. Big shout out to my man for giving us a great chase. I thought he was a Pookie, but he's actually a Chattahoochee that looked like a Pookie. I think maybe he was mixed though. Maybe he was mixed. Probably was half white, half black. Man, I thought he was black though. They say he was black on the radio, but then when they booked him, they say he was white. So he had an excellent tan. He had an excellent tan. This is where they gonna get him at right here. Check this out, y'all. Boom! He ran that car and then ran into the guy.
All right, he just signaled forward.
He didn't run to that guy. That guy just fell down. Luckily, that baby stroller got out of there, man. This was crazy. Beat me in the comments, y'all. Let me know what y'all thought about this chase. This was absolutely insane. This was the definition of Grand Theft Auto 6. He had 5 stars. He was getting nasty with it. He was on a mission. He said, I'm not going back. They can't catch me on the pavement. I'm going aqua. He said, I'm not going back. Call me Method Man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the chase. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to drop me a couple of those hype points in the cup if you can. But if you can't, a good old-fashioned like and a good old-fashioned meet me in the comments with a comment will suffice. But don't forget to share the video. And do not forget to what? Be in those comments. But with that being said, let me leave y'all with some positivity. Stop letting people steal your joy. You hear me? You too worried about what people think, so they stealing your joy. Stop letting them steal your joy. Focus on your happiness, and that's it. Stop worrying about the world's happiness. Stop worrying about your family's happiness. Stop trying to please your girlfriend or your boyfriend. If you not happy, then who gonna be happy for you? You can't be happy for somebody else if you ain't happy for yourself. You gotta fix yourself first before you can go out there trying to fix everybody else. Stop worrying about what they think about you. Stop worrying about pleasing them and just get to it and be happy for yourself so you can live the life that you deserve. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. Stay safe out We do not condone running from the police. Absolutely not. Pull over. I said pull over and take the ticket. But if you do want to be a diabolicking and you ready to turn your goofiness all the way up to the max, get you a Sting and go insane.